With advances in digital healthcare technologies like AI nanotechnology and robotics, medicine's future is taking shape before our very eyes. We must become familiar with the latest creations to manage the control of technology, not the other way around. Medicine's future lies in working in partnership with technology and clinicians to embrace the changes in the healthcare world, allowing us to stay relevant for years to come. No one can stop technology from evolving. At some point, every part of our lives will be changed through the power of digital technologies. Therefore, we must allow our minds to stay open to the possibility of technology changing the world. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that is set to revolutionize healthcare entirely. With the ability to mine medical records, AI algorithms can design treatment plans, develop drugs quicker than any current doctor, and even diagnose cancerous and non-cancerous tissue samples. Using supercomputers, Atomwise unearths therapies from a database of molecular structures. The startup, launched in 2015, created a virtual search for safe, existing medicines that could be re-engineered to treat the Ebola virus. 2 drugs were found which were predicted by the company's AI technology that may reduce the infectivity of Ebola. Google's Dearman more recently developed an AI for breast cancer analysis. The new algorithm exceeded human radiologists' performance by 11.5% on pre-cleared sets of data to distinguish breast cancer. These companies are only 2 of the vast number of companies using AI technology to bring healthcare into the future. Designing new drugs to mining medical records, these companies are real-life examples. Virtual reality. Virtual reality is changing the lives of physicians and patients alike. Looking into the future, you could travel to Spain or home while you are in a hospital bed, or you may watch operations as if you are holding the scalpel. The use of VR is used in many situations, from training future surgeons and for qualified surgeons to practice operations. Those developing these software programs are companies like OssoVR and Immersive Touch, and so far, the results are promising. A recent study has revealed that VR-trained surgeons had a 230% increase in their overall performance than traditionally trained colleagues. Patients are also benefiting from these advancements in technology, with pain management shown as one area of improvement. During labor pain, women are equipped with VR headsets to allow them to visualize a soothing landscape. Patients diagnosed with cardiac, neurological, gastrointestinal, and post-surgical pain have shown a decrease in their pain levels when using VR as stimuli. A pilot study from 2019 showed that patients receiving surgery decreased their anxiety and pain levels and improved their overall healthcare experience. Augmented reality. Unlike virtual reality, augmented reality allows users to stay connected to the real world while overlaying digital information onto their surroundings. This capability is making AR a significant force in the future of healthcare due to its unique benefits for both medical professionals and patients. For medical professionals, AR can enhance training and practice. Medical students, for instance, use Microsoft HoloLens and the HoloAnatomy app to study human anatomy through detailed digital representations, reducing the need for physical cadavers. AR also aids surgeons by improving their surgical skills and preparation. Magic Leap, in collaboration with XR Health, is developing a mixed reality headset for brain health, while BrainLab, a German technology company, is working on integrating its innovations into healthcare. Although these technologies are still in development and not yet commercially available, they represent the future potential of AR in the medical field. We can expect to see more of these advancements making their way into healthcare shortly. Healthcare trackers, wearables, and sensors. Closely connected to the future of healthcare and medicine, the empowerment of patients and individuals is increasingly driven by technologies like wearables, health trackers, and sensors. These advanced devices provide valuable insights into personal health and offer greater control over one's well-being. For instance, devices like the Fitbit Ionic monitors sleep and track workouts, the Polar H10 fine-tunes exercise routines, and the Muse headband supports meditation. With a wide range of health trackers and apps available, users can manage stress levels, weight, cognitive functions, and overall energy and health. These technology-driven tools empower patients to take charge of their health by enabling them to monitor their condition at home and share results remotely with healthcare providers. This empowerment helps individuals make more informed decisions and actively participate in their healthcare management. Medical tricorder. Every healthcare professional's dream is to have only one all-powerful and supreme device. It should be able to analyze and diagnose every disease. With the rapid growth in healthcare technologies, we now live in a world where these kinds of devices exist. One such gadget is the palm-sized Vietnam CheckMe Pro, which can measure heart rate, temperature, blood pressure, ECG, oxygen saturation, and more. Other companies are also working on developing similar devices like the MedWand, which comes with a camera for telemedical purposes as well as all of the measurement capabilities. Another device is the BioSticker from BioIntelliSense is FDA cleared, and despite being thin and small, It can measure many parameters like heart rate, skin temperature, activity levels, respiratory rate, body position, sleep status, gait, and more. These products may be a little far from the sci-fi tricorder, but we will advance there soon enough. Expect to see high-powered microscopes with smartphones that analyze images and swab samples of skin lesions. Expect sensors that notice DNA abnormalities or find specific proteins and antibodies. An ultrasonic probe, an electronic nose, or anything else that could be paired with a smartphone and enhance its features. Genome sequencing. Costing the US government $2.7 billion, the entire Human Genome Project costs a crazy amount of money. Particularly when you think that in January 2017, DNA sequencing company Illumina revealed a new machine that the giant says is expected one day to order an entire genome for cheaper than $100. The CEO confirmed that the company is still working towards that idea. If this were to happen, it would mean that cheaper genetic testing would be available, costing between $10 and $150 only. A test like this has a lot of potential. One can learn valuable information about drug sensitivities, monogenic or multifactorial medical conditions, and even family history. Furthermore, many fields are using the advantages of genome sequencing, such as nutrigenomics, the field that merges dietetics, nutrition, and genomics. Companies like Habit, a California-based startup, offer personalized diets using genetic coding. Atlas Biomed's genetic test is also insightful. Although it can be hard to understand, it analyses to give practical, actionable results. It evaluates conditions one may be at risk of and records vitamin levels and intolerances. The information can be used to take preventive actions, revolutionizing drug development. The current process of creating new drugs is costly and time-consuming. Nevertheless, there are new ways to improve the development of drugs using methods like AI. These new approaches and technologies are set to shape the pharmaceutical landscape in the coming years. Companies such as Recursion Pharmaceuticals, Deep Genomics, and Turbine are using the strength of AI to create new drug candidates and therapeutic solutions at a fraction of the normal cost and in record time. Another up-and-coming medicine technology is in silico drug trials. These personalized computer simulations are used in the regulatory evaluation or development of healthcare products, devices, or interventions. This company is already breaking down barriers with its organs-on-a-chip development. Their technology, HUMAD, is being used in many research projects, and virtual models have been developed by the Virtual Physiological Human Institute, which is using them to study osteoporosis and heart disease. Nanotechnology. We could see nanoparticles and nanodevices operating as accurate drug delivery systems, tiny surgeons, or cancer treatment tools shortly. Some researchers from the Max Planck Institute back in 2014 designed small scallop-shaped microbots that physically swim through bodily fluids. These smart pills, such as PillCam, are being used for colon exams in a patient-friendly, non-invasive way. MIT researchers in late 2018 developed an electronic pill that is wirelessly controlled and can relay analysis information or release drugs in reply to smartphone orders. With evolving technology, there will be far more physical examples of nanotechnology in healthcare. The PillCams of the future may even be able to take biopsy samples, and remote-controlled capsules could take nanosurgery into the future. Conclusion. Technology is profoundly transforming preventive healthcare by integrating advanced tools such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, and nanotechnology. These innovations are enhancing diagnostics, personalizing treatments, and improving patient engagement. AI accelerates drug discovery and diagnostics. VR and AR revolutionize training and patient care, while wearables and health trackers empower individuals with real-time health insights. Devices resembling medical tricorders and advancements in genome sequencing are pushing boundaries, making healthcare more precise and accessible. As technology continues to evolve, its synergy with clinical expertise will drive more effective and preventative healthcare solutions, shaping a healthier future. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content.